What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackney here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. We're doing a final walkthrough on the property on the north side of Akron, Ohio. This is Hyde Park Street near the Chapel Hill area. My partners are closing on this property in the next couple of days, just doing a final walkthrough just to make sure everything is as it should be before we actually close on it. It's a nice 3-bedroom ranch down home. So if you or anybody that you know in the Akron or Canton area, anything in the city or the surrounding suburbs, you know a homeowner who wants to sell a house, definitely keep us in mind. We are looking to purchase over a dozen homes this year in 2018. We can make you a cash offer to close in 30 days or less. We don't charge any real estate commissions, and we buy in as-is condition. And if you refer us to a home that we close on, we pay referral fees up to $1,000. If you want a cash offer today, reach us at 330-685-2220 or just visit the website www.investparamount.com.